ChatGPT has over 100 million users. Do you really think you are that special? Like OpenAI coded a secret model just for you? Here's an activity. Grab your phone, log in into ChatGPT with all your accounts, ask a simple question. Give me great business ideas. Here's a spoiler alert. You'll get the same basic crap every time. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, create online courses. Why? Because ChatGPT was never made to give you unique answers, unless you know how to prompt like a king. That's where prompt engineering comes in, and today I'm about to hand you the cheat code. Before we dive into how to prompt like a king, you need to understand how ChatGPT actually works. Because most people think they are typing into smart Google, and that's wrong. ChatGPT is a large language model. It doesn't think like a human. It doesn't know facts like a search engine. Instead, it predicts words one by one based on patterns from billions of conversations, books, code examples it has seen during training. So when you type something like write a blog post about productivity, ChatGPT asks itself what's the most statistically probable way someone would write a blog post on productivity. It's not trying to be creative, it's trying to be average. That's why basic prompts get basic results. But the magic happens when you act like a director, not a user. You guide ChatGPT with precision: who it is, what it should do, how it should speak like, and what the outcome should look like. It transforms. Now that you understand what's going behind the screen, let me show you exactly how to prompt like a king. Most people use ChatGPT like Google. They type something like, give me a great business idea, and ChatGPT replies, create an online store, do affiliate marketing. Sounds familiar? This is what 90% people get. Now let's flip the switch and prompt like a king. Here's a basic prompt: write a YouTube script for business video. Now I'll convert this into an elite prompt. You are a viral YouTube scriptwriter who has written videos for Mr. Beast and Iman Gaji. Write a 5-minute YouTube video script titled How I Made My First $100,000 Online that follows a hook, a story, and lesson format. In a bold and mysterious tone, make it highly engaging and unpredictable. Look at the difference. One feels like ChatGPT on caffeine, the other feels like it's sleepwalking. Elite prompting is like whispering the cheat code into AI's brain. There's a formula to elite prompting. I call it P.A.R.T. P for persona, A for action, R for result expected, T for tone or style. Let's break it down. Here's a bad prompt. Write a blog post on productivity. Now, what's an elite prompt is, you are James Clear, best-selling author of Atomic Habits. Write a blog post titled How to Build Focus Like Elon Musk in a storytelling tone with 3 practical tips that are backed by science. See the difference? In the elite version, we gave ChatGPT a role, a mission, a structure, and a tone. Now we'll take real life use cases for more understanding. Use case 1: cold email for client outreach. Here's a basic prompt. Write a cold email offering marketing services. Now I'll convert it into elite prompt. Act like a 7-figure cold email copywriter. Write an email that targets YouTubers earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month, offering to boost their video output through editing services. Use curiosity, urgency, and social proof. Max 60 words. Here's a use case 2: Instagram caption. Basic prompt like write an Instagram caption for productivity. Here's an elite prompt. Pretend you are Alex Hormozy. Write an Instagram caption on why discipline is more important than motivation. Add a punchy one-liner at the end that sparks engagement. One elite technique no one tells you about is prompt stacking. Think of it as giving AI the memory and depth. Step 1: define style. Example: you are a no BS business coach who speaks like Gary Vee mixed with Naval Ravikant. Step 2: define objective. Your goal is to help the user build a $10,000 per month personal brand in 90 days. Step 3: ask the task. Create a 30-day content plan for YouTube plus Instagram that builds trust and attracts leads, include hooks, CTAs, and themes. Result: fire. This is the elite way. Break the prompt into layers and stack the instructions to make ChatGPT smarter. Now here's a small task for you all. Write a prompt in the comments on how to make a thumbnail for this video. Look, most people won't apply this. But if you're still watching, you are not most people. You have just unlocked how the AI experts write prompts that make millions. Now you are probably be thinking, bro, this is just a 5-minute video. Why isn't this a 1 to 2 hour long masterclass? Look, I told you how to prompt like a king because that's the step 1. But let me ask you something. What are you even prompting for? That's the real question. Because the best prompt in the world means nothing if you're not using it to build something real, like money, freedom, or leverage. That's why I'm not giving you the fluff, I'm giving you the tools. So subscribe right now, and in the next few videos, I'll show you exactly how to make money using online through content creation, YouTube, and SMMA, client work, or freelancing.